Simplifying rational expressions is really important for figuring out how to graph rational functions. So how we simplify actually tells us so much about the graph. So the first thing we're going to do in this first one is just simplifying two monomials. So when I simplify two monomials, there's basically two ways you can go about it. The kind of real way, or what's really going on, is that we're going to divide the numerator and the denominator by the greatest common factor of the numerator and the denominator. So in this case, it's the number that goes into 25 and 15 is 5, and then it's always the lowest power that each variable is raised to. So there's x to the 7th and x to the 4th, so it's x to the 4th, y to the 4th, y to the 8th, so y to the 4th. So the GCF of the numerator and the denominator is 5x to the 4th, y to the 4th. So divide both by that, and you end up with 5x cubed over 3y to the 4th. The second method, which is probably the more common method, is that you just cancel out common factors. So I start with the 25 over 15. What goes into both? Well, 5. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. And I just kind of cross off the 25 and write the 5 up above. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So I cross off the 15 and write 3 down below. When you go in variables, you always just cross off the smaller power. So I'm going to cross out x to the 4th, and then I'm going to subtract. 7 take away 4 is 3. In y to the 4th and y to the 8th, I cross off the smaller power, which is y to the 4th, and then 8 take away 4 is 4. And it always ends up where the bigger power is. So because y to the 8th is in the denominator, y to the 4th, when I subtract the exponents, ends up in the denominator as well. And we get the exact same solution.